Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today we are going to study about velocity. In our previous classes we have studied about motion, distance, displacement, speed. So now we are going to study about velocity. To know the exact position of a body, distance is not sufficient because it has no direction. So to know the exact position of a body, we need direction. The direction of a body can be found out from velocity. Velocity is the distance covered by a body per unit time in a given direction. So velocity is the distance covered by a body per unit time in a given direction. So we can write this as velocity is equal to distance in a given direction divided by time. This distance in a given direction is called the displacement. It is called displacement. So velocity is defined as the displacement per unit time. Velocity is a vector quantity as it depends upon displacement, which is a vector quantity. The unit of velocity is meter per second. Let us do some numericals. Question is given that if a car covers a distance of 20 meter in each direction in 4 seconds, then find the velocity. Here direction is given, that means it will be displacement. So displacement will be equal to meter. Time here given that 4 seconds. So we have to find out the velocity. We know that velocity is displacement upon time. So velocity will be equal to 20 meter by 4 seconds. This will give 5 meter per second. This is its velocity magnitude and its direction is in each direction. Let us do another numerical. Question here given that a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? Here time given that 2 minutes 20 seconds, which will be equal to 140 seconds. Here given that the side of a square field is 40 meter. So its perimeter will be 4 into 10 meter, which will be equal to 40 meter. So here given that farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. It moves along the boundary in 40 seconds, means it will cover its perimeter in 40 seconds. That means it will cover 40 meter in 40 seconds. So it will cover 1 meter distance in 1 second. Here time is given that 2 minutes 20 seconds, that is 140 seconds. So in 140 seconds it will cover distance 140 seconds. Sorry, it is 140 meter. So if the farmer starts moving from here, it will be after completion of one round, it will travel 40 meter here. After completion of second round, it will complete 40. After completion of another round, it will complete another 40 meter, which will be 120 meter. Now distance remained is 20 meter. So it will cover 10 meter here and 10 meter here. This will be its final position. So the final position of the farmer is here. So given that, we have to find out the magnitude of the displacement. We have to find out the magnitude of the displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So the diagonal of the square field will be the displacement. So its value can be found out if we will put Pythagoras theorem. So displacement will be equal to 10 square of 10 its whole tower. So it will be root over 200 meter. It will give 10 root 2 meter. So the value of the magnitude of displacement is 10 root 2 meter. Thank you friends.